Good morning! What's the day today, baby? It's May 24, 2026, and we will celebrate the birthday and baptismal of baby Wancho! Say hi, baby! Hello, hi! Hi, hi! Hi! So, yun. Nagpe-prepare na po kami. We will go to church. Call time namin sa church ay... What is our call time, baby? 9 o'clock in the morning. And then, we will go to the reception. Hello! Are you happy? Yeah! Again. Are you happy? Yeah! Again. Are you happy? Yeah! Again. Are you happy? Love mo na naman si Dada. Love, Dada. Hi! Hi! Hello! Hi! Why don't you just wake up? So mag-prepare lang kami for the church, right? Say bye-bye. See you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. All right. We're going to the church. Hindi na tayo nakapag-outfit check, pero mamaya sa church mag-outfit check tayo. With Mama, Wancho, and Liam. Alright, pupunta na tayo sa church. And yeah, tatagpuin natin lahat dun yung mga ninong-ninang. Ito yung ating outfit. Mamaya mag-outfit check tayo sa church. Wancho! Alright, see you at the church. Let's go! Alright, nandito na kami sa church. Okay. With Mama and Liam. Alright, nandito na tayo sa simbahan. Gaantay lang tayo ng start, and then ninong and ninang.
A few moments later.
Right, punta na tayo sa reception. So natulog muna si Wancho na nagwawala. So let's go to the reception. Sit muna, sit.
Is to have fun and enjoy and also participate in today's program. Nakasama po namin nun? Okay, so on that note, let's have a very quick warm-up game. May I request everyone to please stand up. Stand up, everyone. Okay, we will have... sige, next question. Ito, baka may mabamos na tayo dito. Alright. Wancho's exact birthday is May 25, 2025. If your birth month also falls on the month of May, you may now take your seat. Sorry. Oh, still have a lot? Okay, next.
Nak yung video mo.
please remain standing. Alright. Can I request po the one who remains standing po in front? Who left? Just Al? Okay, we have two. Al and what's your name? Shri. Okay. Now, the last question is just answerable by yes or no. Now, if you answer no, you have to take your seat. Right? If your answer is yes, you stay. Right? So the question is, do you know how to dance? No? Okay. Alright, so please stay here and see your face instead. Okay. Happy birthday, dear Ocho. Happy birthday to you. One more time.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Montrell. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Blow, blow the candle. Watch it. Go down.
Birthday to you.
Mommy, mommy, mommy. Yeah! Everybody have a wonderful breakfast for Ocho.
I think so.
I think so, yeah. That's mushroom.
Okay, kids, stay here for now. We'll have our first game. All the kids, stay here in front. We will have a longest happy birthday game. Alright, all the kids. Alright, him. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Happy birthday, Juancho.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. 10 seconds. Him, stay here with me first. You are our challenger. Or no, you are the second to beat, okay? Next. What's your name? Mary, are you ready?
Oh, sige. Wala mag-aaway, ha?
Chicken? Chicken daw po.
Then you can go back. Right? Balik pa dun. Balik pa po kayo dun. Oh, para sa inyo yan. Thank you. How's the food? Good. Oh yeah.
It's different.
Just go back there. You can eat more.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Ano, pre? Balik na dun. Balik lang dun. Ha? Kasi after ng ano, yayain ko yung mga Indiano. Dito sila lahat kakain eh. Oh. Kain lang ha? Oo. Di ka kumakain? Kailangan mong bumalik doon. Uubusin natin yon.
Aba, pwede pa ba?
Tama, ha? Oo! Nagsiksikan sila lahat dito eh. Mga... Mga di kasi masyadong nagkikita kaya nagsisiksikan eh.
Dito yung mabenta.
The man. Ha? Pare, tatay. Ayan o. Dahil sa luto ni paring Leo. Ha? Mamaya na.
Tapon na tapon.
Hoy. Ha?
In
Wala.
3, ayun, okay, kumpleto na. Sino yung hindi nakaupo? Si Kuya Arkin? Oh, Kuya Arkin. Yan ba, gift? Yes, okay. Next, let's check this time, okay? Kuya Him. Whose purse is that?
My mom's
Okay, and you have a custom membership?
and my phone.
Okay, good. Kuya Gael, how about you?
I don't know.
Whose purse is that?
I don't know.
You don't know? Is there a Costco membership there? Can you check? You don't know? Okay, meron. Thank you. Close mo na yan. O, kuya. Tinumabot. Okay. Next item. Alright. Bring me. Listen up, kids, huh? Bring me a shoe. Hold on. A men's shoe US size 10. Alright. 3 more slots. 3 more slots. 3 more slots. Parents, let's long hair with uban. Long hair with uban. Stay at the back. Stay at the back. Long hair with uban. Ayun sa akin, Habu. Kuya Kuya. Ay, Kuya Gael. I'm sorry, Kuya Gael. What you have this? Okay. Okay. Ngayon, let's check kung meron niya talagang white hair.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Galing. Thank you, Ate.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Yay! Thank you, Auntie and Ate Sherry. Congratulations, Gael and Him. You won the prize. Dear Wancho, happy holy baptism and happy birthday. May you grow in love and happiness with your dad, mom, Ate Liam, and Jesus Christ. We pray for your birthday. 4, 5, 6. Dear Brian. Sorry. Dear Brian, sorry. Okay. Next. Wancho, today is doubly special as you receive God's blessing and celebrate first year. May you grow healthy, happy, and always guided by the love of your family and His love. Try not to grow up too fast. Ang pag ko pala sumasayaw din niya. Yan, go. That's the message. Let's wait for the music to stop. Up. Dito, Jojo. Bunot po, bunot. Yan. Teka, bunot. And pakibasa po ng malakas.
Ang balas ko, ang takaw!
Thank you, Tito Jojo. Thank you. Next is
The more we get together.
Up. Kabayan, One lang po. Sarap po ba yun? Okay. And, read it loud.
Hindi ako malas dahil ito ang out. Pangatlos kaliwa ko.
Kaliwa mo. Left. One. Isang bilang lang po kayo, no? 1, 2, 3. Sorry, Dan. Letter C. Ikot! Okay, sir. Bunot. Bunot, bunot. Up, 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 up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, Mami Panita, ikaw ulit. Dinahawag si Mami kahit lagi nakakap... Okay, sir. Bunot ulit. And read it out.
Dami-dami na to, makakta ako. Hindi ang katabi ko.
Okay, tatabi mo. So, mamili ka sir. Left or right? Okay, thank you bro. Okay po. Okay, sige. Read it out.
This is the end. Out na ako.
Oh, sorry. Congratulations for our two lucky winners. Thank you. Alright, now kids, it's time to give the party favors. Any other news po? Alright, there you have it everyone. Now let's hear from Kuya William and Adelaide for their thank you message. Sa ating ilated.
Want to come here?
Thank you very much for coming and yeah, we love you all.
Thank you, Kuya William. And ingat po sa pag-uwi. Thank you so much.
May mga problema ng mga bata na to. Ano nangyayari? Nay, salamat na ha. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you pare, ingat muna ako ha.
Thank you kuya.
Ha? Ito ang aming photographer oh.
Thank you sa tiwala.
Pare, thank you ha.
No problem bro, anytime.
Alam mo na ang gagawin mo sa cake na yan. Iuwi mo yan.
Ako pala. Ito Hindi mo naman ako nakilala kay ate.
Oo nga, no?
Kalimutan mo.
Alright, nasa bahay na tayo. Ayan na ang mga gifts. Tapos na ang ating binyag birthday of Juancho. So, very successful. So, nakaraos na tayo. Thank you sa lahat. Say thank you, baby. Thank you. Okay. So, maraming salamat sa lahat. Maraming salamat sa lahat na nagpunta sa De Guzman family, sa host natin, si Paolo, napakagaling. Ang husay mo, bro. Tapos ang ating cameraman na si Nicole. Nicole, pero lalaki siya. Yan, ang ating, syempre, ang ating magigiting na catering. Ang pamilya Kosay at ang pamilya Bautista. Yan, paring Leo, paring Charles, maraming salamat. Siyempre, andyan ng Imperial Family. Yan. Andyan ng sila paring Brian, sila Tipia, yan. Peñoso Family, Baliana Family, La Seste Family. Andyan ng Besa Family, dyan ng sila Paolo, sila Miriam, ang Guray Family. Ang Pedimonte Family, si Joe na gumawa ng cake, napakasarap na cake. Yan, Jocelyn. Andyan ng pamilya ni Jolo. Andyan ng Gallarport family. Alright. At sino pa ba? Sila Joven. Andyan sila Richard Dulayla. Si Kuya Gilbert. Yan, pumunta rin yan. Maraming salamat. Tita Susan, Tita Linda, Tita Marilu. Yan, si Lucky at saka si Drew. Si Dan, saka si Barb. Yan, maraming salamat sa inyo. Thank you very much for coming. Yan, of course, wala ang ating special na panauhin sana, si Doc Patrick saka si Miss Lily. So, yep, maraming salamat kasi nakasupport pa rin kayo. Sino ba ang ating pasasalamatan? Ang pamilya ni Nicolas, yan. Ang pamilya ni Nicolas, hanggang sa'yo, Sarangher, ano. Maraming salamat, kamsamida. Okay, sino pa ba ang ating pasasalamatan? Paring Leo, pare, special shout out sa'yo. Yan. Special shout out sa pamilya Bautista at sa pamilya Kosay. Yan. Kay nanay, kay tatay, yan. Maraming salamat. Sino pa ba? Siguro napasalamatan na natin lahat. Yan, pamilya Guray, yan. Maraming hindi nakapunta pero maraming salamat pa rin. At naway magkita tayo ulit balang araw. Alright.